At the Opera House, we've got X Factor's Bad Lashes, we've got the Girl Band Hope, we've got the Wizard of Oz cast Teo Cruz and George Nathan.
Right now, a lady who auditioned for the very first series of X Factor back in 2004. She was actually rejected by Simon Cowell. She made it through to the boot camp round, and then in 2005 she was given a chance to sing in the live shows as part of Old Mar Osborne's final tour.
Now on stage singing a couple of songs from her second solo album called Emotional Roller Coaster, which is out soon. Put your hands together for Maria Lawson!
I've just got here, they've been literally rushing us. It took me like 2 minutes to get ready, so I'm a bit exhausted. But I'm going to sing for you a song that you might know, so please feel free to sing along if you recognise it, and also my new single. The first song is called Take a Little Piece of My Heart. Oh, sorry, 1 second. Can we go to The Way You Make Me Feel?
The way
that was the wrong track. Sorry about that, guys.